Hello everyone, my name is Shweihninzy and I have a super exciting video to film for you guys. If you guys know, Beautylish does this thing called lucky bags. It's a tradition in Japanese culture around the new year to do fukubukuro. A bunch of stores sell to the public like these bags, and it's like a mystery bag and it's like a certain value inside and it's a set price, but you don't know what's inside, and I think it's so much fun. I've always wanted to go to Japan for the new year just to do fukubukuro, so lame, I know. I just think it's so cool. But Beautylish is the only one that I know of that actually does this. Maybe a couple other beauty brands do it as well. My ponytail is a rat. Pay no mind to that. I try to put a hat on because my hair is looking a little rough right now, but I have no makeup on because I want to open everything inside this box and try it out for you guys and see if this is worth it. I got the small one. My dad was so sweet and actually got this for me for my birthday. Thank you so much, Dad. I appreciate it. He eagerly got on there for me to get it. He was gonna get me the 150 one, but it sold out in like 2 seconds, no joke. And I was like, Dad, you gotta be aggressive. You gotta be aggressive and do these things, but that's okay. He got me the small one, and so this is what the inside looks like. So cool. So it was like a little sticker here, and it looks like a bunch of Japanese like sumo maybe, or something like that, not too sure. So lucky bags are a Japanese New Year custom that inspired us to create our own. The sumo wrestlers, or rikishi, on this year's lucky bags are said to bring good luck and fortune. We hope the surprises inside make your 2019 a little more lucky. How cool! So I'm really excited to open this up. I have some gnarly zits. I was just saying my skin was looking great. Got this honker right in the middle of my forehead, and this one here, and a couple. They're not looking so cute. I've been vlogging doing a juice cleanse, and it's kind of a fail. So I'm gonna be sipping on this. This is so good. This is pineapple mint. These juices are bomb. Anyway, so I'll be sipping on that while I'm opening this stuff up. But let's go ahead and see what's inside. It is so nicely wrapped and everything. My dad was like, it feels really light. Is there even anything in there? Oh, yeah, it's like really, so it's wrapped up here. What's inside? Interesting. Okay, I've seen these openings in the past before, and they've been like really good. Oh, I got a Viz Art palette. Okay, that's cool. But these other things I'm not too sure about. Like, I see this here. This is the Ardell Soft Touch like individual lashes. This is something I probably wouldn't use. I would give this to my mom. So this was $75 and then $10 shipping, so it ended up being $85. So we'll see what the totals of all this comes up to. So I'm not sure how much these are, so I'll look it up and see how much these are. This is something I probably wouldn't use. I use like the full strip lashes, so there are those. So I got this brush. It says Kumano Fude. I don't know what that means. I did take Japanese, and I can read Japanese. Oh, Sonia G brush. So I don't know who that is, but it looks like a little pencil brush. So there's that. I got a Kevin Kwan curling mascara in the color black. Ooh, this is fancy, the curling mascara. So this is something I definitely will try. Like I said, by Kevin Kwan here. So that is something interesting to try. I know that is probably pretty expensive. Let's see, I've got some Nourishing Hair Oil by Orbi. So this light oil absorbs instantly to restore hair to its prime. So it's got jasmine stuff, so I could put this on the ends of my hair. This isn't something I would gravitate towards normally. I got something coming soon. Ooh. Super Peptide Serum, formulated with tripeptides to target fine lines, wrinkles, and dullness by the brand Good Molecules, I believe. So that's what this looks like. So apply 1 drop in the morning and night before oils and moisturizers. Let absorb for 30 seconds. Normally I see like way more makeup. Like this one I'm not too impressed with. So it looks like a dropper. So maybe I could put some on right now. I've got moisturizer on already, so that's okay. We'll see. Just a drop. Oh, it smells nice. Interesting. Next, I have a Jouer Longwear Lip Cream. Ooh, so a liquid lipstick. I don't think, have I tried a Jouer liquid lip before? I think I have. Actually, this one is in the color Blush, so I don't have this one. It's like a really pretty pink, so this is definitely something we can use later. So that looks nice. I'll go ahead and do a little swatchy. So there is the swatch of that color. And then the last thing, which I think was the most expensive, is this Visart palette. So Visart palettes are pretty expensive. Let's see, I've never tried a Visart palette before. So this is in the palette Trist, I believe. So this is the palette here. Oh, whoa, this is fancy packaging. Look at that. Rose gold on here. It's like a metal or plastic-y tin. Oh, okay. Not bad. It's got a huge mirror. And then here are the color. Oh, so you can't take that off. But the names are on the little thing, which I don't particularly like. So here are the colors. Pretty. But I don't know. Let's see how they swatch. Like, this brown isn't even matte. The sparkle doesn't even come out too much. But let's see. They're pretty pigmented. Let's try one of the sparkler ones. So there's the sparkly one down there. But there's that. I don't know, guys. I'm kind of sad. I'm kind of disappointed. I mean, that's kind of what you get with a Lucky bag. You don't know what's going to be inside, so it's hit or miss for certain things. But let's go ahead and try out some of these products and see what we think. All right, I'm back, and I've got powder on my face, got my foundation on, everything like that. Just gonna brush this away a little bit, but like keeping my powder on just in case I get any fallout of any kind. I've been watching some other people's unboxings and things, and like this one lady got amazing things. I was like, I just wasn't that lucky this year, unfortunately, but that's okay. It's just a part of the experience. But this is the Visart palette. Something some other people got were some Natasha Denona palettes, and I know that's something that people have gotten in the past. So this will be really interesting to try, because I've never tried the Visart palettes. The Natasha Denona ones aren't the best in my opinion. They're a little overpriced for something that isn't that great, honestly. So let's try Visart. Visart, come through here. I probably sound really bratty, being like, I don't really like what I got, but I mean, that's what you get with any type of Lucky thing. I love blind boxes and I'm addicted to them, but it's just so cool getting different stuff. So I'll also use this brush as well. But let's go ahead and dive into a crease color here. I'm gonna go in with the Sigma Diffused Crease E38, and I'm gonna go in with the color Dangerous, but it's spelled Danger Use. This color right there. And this mirror though, this mirror is huge. I'm not a fan of using mirrors on palettes, but this one I might actually use. So, whoa. So let's see how this turns out. I'm gonna use this kind of as like a transition shade. This is really pink. There is a lot of fallout I'm noticing with these colors. Let's go in with the color Liaison, which is this pink down here. This one's a little bit darker. Oh, and that is pink. All right, let's use this brush that I got. I'm gonna do the pink under my eyes. Ooh, it's really soft. Never really used pink eyeshadow before, so this is kind of interesting, kind of branching out. But these shadows are super easy to blend. I'm gonna take this brown, which is called Illicit. It has a little bit of shimmer in it, but hopefully it won't transfer too much in the crease. I'm gonna go in with this medium sweeper E54 by Sigma. Oh, you can't really see the shimmer that much. What should I put on my lid? Let's go in with this color Flirt here, which is like a taupey, glittery. Ooh, it's really soft. Let's try it with a brush now. I'm going to use the eye shading E55 from Sigma. Let's try it with a brush. I like putting lid colors on with my finger just because it packs more punch. Like, it's not going on with the brush very well at all. What do you guys think? Here's the eyeshadow, a little botched, but that's okay. We learning, we trying. So I'm gonna put on my eyeliner, and then I don't know if I should even try and use these lashes. I'm not gonna use these. I'm gonna give these to my mom. She really likes these kinds, so I'm not gonna use those. I'm gonna put on, let's see, I got these new lashes actually from Nubian. They sent these over to me, but look at them, they're gorgeous. So I'm gonna put these on as my lashes, so I'll be doing that, and then I'll come back for like, let's say I gotta try this lip out and the mascara, so I'll be right back. All right, it's time for mascara. I have really stick straight stubby Asian eyelashes, and they're really tiny, and I just had eyelash extensions that have all fallen out. Well, I might have picked some of them out as it was getting bald, but anyway, I'm gonna try the Kevyn Aucoin curling mascara. I normally use waterproof mascara for that reason, because this is like a tiny bottle too, and the brush wand looks pretty average, nothing like fancy. So let's see. I have to know that it lasts because I use waterproof, and that's what holds my curl. I never wear normal mascara. Is that you, Ming Wei? Yep. What are you doing? But I like how, I mean, it's a little wet for my liking. Mean. Oh. I'm not noticing anything life-changing with this mascara at all. So, we'll see about that. So I'm putting my lashes on, and my mascara has dried, and my lashes have fallen. This is why I don't like regular mascara, because my lashes fall. Not good. I'm putting on these eyelashes by Nubian, and when I was pulling them out of the packaging, the hairs were coming off. Like, what the heck? So here are the lashes. I'm living for these. These are amazing. I've strayed from my normal lashes, which are the House of Lashes lashes in Siren. These are my go-to, and I always have a bajillion of them, and every time I stray from them trying a different lash, never works out. But these are gorgeous and fluttery because I have more like hooded eyes. I don't want eyelashes to like overpower too much. I want it to like lift and make my eyes look bigger. So, and I think this is actually in the style Tribal. So I think that's what style this is in, but like, oh, these are really cute. So let's try this lip color in the color Blush, and all of this actually goes together quite nicely. I'm continuing to watch other people's openings, and the XL one is insane always, and I wanted to get that, but everybody else said it sold out in seconds. So let's try. Oh, this is really pretty. Alright, so I have this on. It's a little too pink for my personal preference. I tend to like mauves a little bit more, but it's super pretty, and this is definitely more of a cream, not like a liquid lipstick, and it kind of emphasizes the lines in my lips and just the dryness a little bit. I do have one other lip cream, and that's what I remembered. It's kind of jogging my memory a little bit, but a little sticky. Not a huge fan of this. Don't really. It feels very thick on the lips, but I'm gonna go ahead and do some Slay All Day. There's everything that I got. Here's the look I came up with. It turned out a lot, but I keep looking right here because that's where my monitor is. But the look turned out pretty nice. Not so sure if I'm gonna keep this stuff or what. It's not anything that I really would gravitate towards, but that's what you know, that's what happens. You take a gamble to buy this, and apparently from other people's videos, there are like groups you can do to trade with different people. So if any of you guys have actually bought the Beautylish thing and want some of the stuff that I tried, obviously I'm not going to do like the liquid lipstick and the mascara because that was like a double dip thing, but like if anybody wants to trade the Bizart palette or anything like that, and like the hair oil and like this serum, hit your girl up on Instagram. That's the best way to message me, or like leave a comment saying you messaged me, something like that. Or if anybody knows about like those groups that those people were talking about, let me know, because I would love to trade with people. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks for opening this lucky bag with me. Definitely gonna have more videos coming soon, and I'm really excited that I'm able to get back into this. So thank you for watching today's video. Bye.